Picture sa mong tulo, Carl, ni kuhan, Carl. Carl.
Patuloy po nga, plano mga kawan niya.
Kanang langas ko dada. Kanang langas.
So all departing passengers on Cathay Pacific Airways and Philippine Airlines Flight 9201 for Hong Kong, after completing your counter check-in and immigration requirements, you are now requested to proceed to waiting lounge number 3 for your final security check and to await your flight boarding announcement. Once again, all Hong Kong bound passengers on Cathay Pacific Airways and Philippine Airlines Flight 920 kindly proceed now to waiting lounge number 3.
Binigyan